There are several detailed reasons to read Mahatma Gandhi's My Experiments with Truth. 1. Insight into Gandhi's life. The book provides a first-hand account of Gandhi's personal experiences, struggles, and evolution as a leader and thinker. 2. Moral and spiritual lessons. Gandhi shares his ethical and philosophical principles, offering valuable lessons on nonviolent resistance, truth, and self-discipline. 3. Historical significance. The book offers a glimpse into India's struggle for independence and Gandhi's role in shaping the nation's history. 4. Inspirational content. Gandhi's dedication to truth, nonviolence, and social justice can inspire readers to reflect on their own values and actions. 5. Personal growth. Readers can learn from Gandhi's reflections on self-improvement, simplicity, and the pursuit of a meaningful life. 6. Relevance today. The book's themes of social change, ethical leadership, and human rights remain pertinent in the modern world. 7. Cultural exploration. My Experiments with Truth provides cultural insights into Indian society, traditions, and values during Gandhi's time. 8. Understanding nonviolent resistance. Gandhi's advocacy for nonviolent protest and civil disobedience can offer insights into peaceful activism and conflict resolution. 9. Critical thinking. The book encourages readers to question societal norms, challenge injustice, and seek truth through introspection and action. 10. Legacy of Gandhi. Reading about Gandhi's life and ideas can help readers appreciate his enduring legacy as a champion of peace, justice, and human dignity.